Hello students. Now next topic is that is ozonolysis in cycloalkenes. Ozonolysis in cyclic compounds. Cyclic compound, that is cycloalkenes, that is that is cyclobutene. Cyclobutene on ozonolysis we get, right student. Here this is, I am writing structure student, that is this CH skeleton structure I am writing CH, this is double bond, and this carbon having already two bonds are there, this carbon having, this is also carbon, this carbon already having two bonds are there, remaining two hydrogen, like this. This is the cyclic structure, the skeleton structure. Now what happens when that is ozonolysis, O3 by Zn, ozonolysis. What I said student, that is first step is bond cleavage. Cut this bond, cut this double bond. Here three oxygens are there. Out of these three oxygen, put one oxygen here, put one oxygen here, put one oxygen to zinc. So what is the final product student? CHO, then CHO plus ZO. This is the final production. Ozonolysis on cycloalkene. Simply remember, cut this bond, cut this double bond, put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here. So we get this is the final product. Now take the one more example student, that is cyclopentene. React with ozone in the presence of zinc. So cut this bond here, simple this, cut this bond, put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here. So what is the final production? CHO, then CHO. Why? Because of this carbon already, carbon, one hydrogen is there, 1 2 3 bonds are there. So this is one hydrogen is there, plus one hydrogen. So we get at CHO, CHO. Simple double bond cutting, that is CHO plus ZNO. And what about this student? Same thing, this is also same thing, cut this bond, put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here. We get final product, that is CHO, CHO. In this product, in this reactant, how many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons are there. Here also same thing, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus ZNO. This is a simple texture. Now take the another example here. Cut this bond. Here one methyl group is there. Here one methyl group is there. Cut this bond. This carbon already four bonds are there. 1 2 3 4. There is no hydrogen. So this is converted into keto group. Put the one oxygen here. Put the one oxygen here. Why? Because you remember student, this carbon 1 2 3 4 bonds are there. There is no hydrogen. It is converted to keto group. We get writing, I am product writing here, CH3 C double bond O CH3, then like this CHO. This carbon having one hydrogen, this carbon 1 2 3 bonds are there, one hydrogen is there. So CHO, this is aldehyde, this is keto group. Same thing in the presence of O3 by Zn, O3 by Zn. This is also the next one plus ZNO, O3 by Zn. Same thing, cut this bond. This carbon already four bonds are there, also carbon four bonds are there, is no hydrogen. Put the oxygen here, put the oxygen here. C double bond O, this is CH3 group, like this, CH3, CH3, then no. Here also same thing, C double bond O, CH3. In this reactant, how many carbons are there total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 carbons are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus ZNO. Simply remember what I said, the three oxygens are there. Put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here, one oxygen combines with zinc, so that is zinc oxide. This is a simple trick student. Now here two sets are there. It is also very most important student. Here this is cyclodibutene, that is 1,3 cyclodibutene, 1 2 3. So here two double bonds are there. Now what to do student? Here simple, cut this bond and cut this bond. Simple, I am writing here CH single bond, I am writing skeleton structure CH, double bond is there, CH single bond, CH here, here also double bond. This is a structure. This is skeleton structure. So now what to do, students, that is ozone. This is similar to this structure. This is skeleton structure. Both are same only. Zinc. So what happens, students, that is a double bond is there. Ozonols is always in double bond side only. Cut this bond. Cut this bond. Here 3 oxygens are there. Put one oxygen here. Put one oxygen here. One oxygen, put the zinc. But here 2 double bonds are there. How many moles of ozone will take here? We should take the 2 moles of ozone. Why? Because of here 2 double bonds are there. If in case only one double bond is there, we will take only 1 mole of ozone. But here two double bonds are there, so that's why we will take the 2 moles of ozone. Why? Because of bond cleavage in between here in double bond. So overall, that is cut this bond, complete cleavage to separate it. This one separate, this one separate. So here also one oxygen, here also one oxygen. So what is the final production? That is CHO bond CHO. This is glyoxal plus this is upper side one CHO, lower side also one CHO. That is also CHO, then CHO plus 2 moles of ZnO. We will take the 2 moles of zinc. Why? Because of here 2 double bonds are there. We should take 2 moles of ozone and 2 moles of zinc. So that is the final, that is glyoxal. This is a simple trick, student. Now take the one more example. Here also same thing. Here 2 double bonds are there. O3 by Zn. Cut this here, complete cutting like this. Please cut this one. Above the plane, below the plane. So here what is the final production? CHO, and left hand side also same CHO. Put the one oxygen, put the one oxygen. Here also put the one oxygen, here also put the one oxygen, and same thing like this. CHO, then CHO plus 2 moles of ZnO. Take the how many here 2 double bonds are there. We should take the 2 moles of ozone, and 2 moles of zinc. So that is the final production. Here total 2, 3, 6 oxygens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the here bond cleavage. This is the it is the ozonolysis in cycloalkenes compound. Now final example, same thing. This compound having methyl group is there, but this carbon already balanced. 4 carbons are there. There is no hydrogen. This carbon having 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is balanced. So here there is no hydrogen. So here ozone on the presence of zinc. Put the one oxygen here. Put the one oxygen here. These are the keto group. Why? Because of there is no hydrogen. Put the one oxygen. Put the one oxygen. So what is the bond cleavage like this? So we get that is CH3. This is I am writing CH3. C double bond O. C double bond O. Then this is CH2, then CH2, then C double bond O, C double bond O, then CH3 plus downside, that is CHO, CH2, CHO, then CHO, then CH2, then CHO. This is the final production, that is 2 moles of zinc oxide. So here 2 double bonds are there. We should take the 2 moles of ozone. 2, 3 is 6 oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. CHO, then CH2 downwards. This carbon having CH2 group. This is CH2, CHO, CHO. This carbon having hydrogen. This carbon also having hydrogen. So that's why CHO bond CH2 bond CHO. Then 2 moles of zinc oxide. This is the simple trick, student. Ozonolysis in cycloalkenes. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you, student. Please, if you like my video, please click on. Thank you.